Okay, so the way this is gonna work is we're gonna have a three-way hoot off.
You're all familiar with that. Hoot off.
Al Hooters, stand up. Who's got a bar Al Hoot? We got a guy over here. I see two guys stand up. I want to hear a whole sequence. All right, right here. Where's that? Hit me. Oh wow. Okay. Good. You guys want to stand right here? A little bit of like a yard dog feel. You can sit down. Come on now. That's our number one man right there. Tell your name, where you're from.
My name is Shane and I'm from Saskatchewan.
Sounds really good. Nick's got it. Congratulations, man. You gotta wear that hat the rest of the night. Both of you guys are some of the best that we've heard on this trip. Really. Good job, guys. Good hat.